I'm going to show you how you will create a works cited page. Now remember the annotated bibliography, which by this point you will have already turned in. And the reason why you turned this in earlier than the final paper is because I actually will go through these and check, make sure your citation looks good, make sure that according to your description and everything that it is a good source. And so I give you sort of the go ahead, the thumbs up. Okay. But then I will use this, okay, you will save this document yourself and use this for when you are creating your works cited page. That'll make it much easier. Okay, so just as an example, let's say that this is my final paper and I'm finishing up, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I would simply go up here to Insert, Page Break, and then from here, go back to Home, select to center your text, and then I'm going to make sure that my formatting matches only because I have created a new document. You probably will not have to do this because this will be a part of your final paper, which you will have already done this at the beginning. So I'm just going to make sure this is formatted correctly. There we go. Okay. Now I would simply type works cited. It's centered, and then I will highlight it and bold it. Press enter. Go back to home and come up here and make it back to left alignment like it's supposed to be. All right, and then I will go back to my annotated bibliography document. In alphabetical order, I will take my 4 citations, so starting with my where it fits in the alphabet. This is A, so it works perfectly to be my first one. I just copy and paste it, go back to my works cited document, right click, make sure that my paste options, I'm using one that matches the formatting for my final paper. There we go. Okay, so there it is. Now you only have one other thing you need to do, and that's this is considered a single entry on the works cited page, and any line, if a single entry goes over one line, every line after the first line in a single entry should be indented. So one way you can do that is highlighting the second line, and if it goes beyond the second line, all other lines, copy it, delete it, and your cursor will go back to the first line. Press enter, press tab, the tab key, and then paste, and there you go. And that is one entry on the works cited. I would just simply press enter, go back to my annotated bibliography, and do the same thing. Copy, make sure that it's in alphabetical order. Copy, go back to my works cited page, right click, paste. This entry goes beyond the first line, so I will copy that, delete, press enter, tab, paste. Press enter, and I'm ready for my third entry, and on and on. And that's all you do. That is your works cited page.